So coming to Jarrett Hall from such a far away place for this long period of time, I always thought I'd feel homesick, but because of my friends, because of this community, I'm still waiting for that homesickness to kick in.
Because of how closely knitted Selly Oak is, all the accommodations are close by to each other, and it just brings like a really nice community around. So anytime I need to go to my friend's place, I'm not worried about the journey to get home.
I feel like it is all very safe, monitored, close to the university, everything that I've ever wanted.
I've made so many friends living in Jarrett Hall, especially my flatmates. They were so lovely, and it was so nice to be able to go to the social events that were held, meet more people. It was such a homely community feeling. I've made some friends for life.